Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, get notifications, and most definitely smash that like button. Comments are always appreciated. Enjoy the show.
Hey everybody, El Cheapo Deluxe here. Hope you're all doing good today. Got a little project I want to work on today, and it involves Mechanic Mete SF, which is empty. Nothing in the chamber, nothing in the magazine. So safety first. Got that out of the way. What you got to notice about this damn fine handgun is doesn't have a light on it. So that's what I want to do, because I don't want to get up in the middle of the night to some strange noise, which may be absolutely nothing. But I don't want to grab this and not be able to see what I'm doing because it's dark. So that being said, I've got this Olight Valkyrie PL Mini 2 light that I want to put on it, and we're going to do this together. So let's get started. Let's open this up. I got this from Amazon. I think I paid around $70 for it, and it didn't want to open. But we're going to get it open anyway. Look at this. Don't mind my finger. I got a band-aid on it because I burned it cooking on the flat grill the other day. Got some hot grease on it, and it blistered up pretty good. So here we go. It's a little flashlight. It's going to go right on this Picatinny rail. And I got this brown one to kind of match my gun, but they come in black also. So that being said, it's got the quick release on it. Even adjust here. But let's see what else we got in this package here. It came with, oh, by the way, it's rechargeable too, so you don't have to worry about putting batteries in it. Came with some extra parts, some instructions. Don't need those. Little Allen wrench. I don't know what the heck it's for, but I don't think we're going to need it. So, and some other parts in here. That looks like it just may be a replacement. It says GL. That says 1913. I'm not sure what the difference is, but I don't think I need it right now. I'm just going to go ahead and put it back in the box. Oh, and the charger. This charger, it's a USB charger. Put that back in there too. So let's take that and just sit that there. Like I said, I'm going to put this back in because I don't think I need any of the rest of this junk. You'll love it how the box never goes back together. You try. There it goes. Anyway, all right. So back in the box you go. Don't need that. Oh, we'll put a little protector on the end of the USB thing. I did read the instructions. This needs to charge for about an hour. So let me plug this in. Okay, I'm gonna let that plug in. It's magnetic, goes right on there. It's got a light on it, but I don't know what the light is doing. Oh, guess that light comes on when it's fully charged. So, tell you what, I'm gonna let that charge for a little while, and I'll come right back to you as soon as it's charged up, and we'll put this on and see how it works.
1 hour later.
Okay, I'm back, everybody. Let's check this gun one more time, make sure it's still empty. How about that? It is. All right, so this has been charging for about an hour. Let's take that off the charger. Looks like you can use a little screwdriver here to adjust the tension on it. We're going to see how it fits on here. All right, so man, it went on just like that. Lock it down. I think I might want to move it back a little bit though. Well, that's about right. Let's see what we got. Man, that fit on there solid. I don't think it's going anywhere. All right, let's see. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Let's see, you push it down. It stays on. Push it down again, turn it off. Hold it down if you just want it momentarily or momentary. Yeah, that's all right, huh? Yeah. I'm not going to turn the lights off to see how bright it is, but it says it is 600 lumens and throws a light 100 meters. Man, that'll be plenty bright enough for inside a house when it's pitch dark, because let me tell you, I'm not going to look straight at it, but that is pretty bright. Okay, folks, that's all I got to say. Seems to be a pretty good light. Olight Valkyrie PL Mini 2. Rechargeable, USB rechargeable. So we're going to go with this, and for some reason, if I have any issues with it, I'm going to let you know. But I don't foresee any issues with it because hopefully it won't get used. All right, everybody, that's all I got for today. I appreciate you watching. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and as always, have a great day and be safe.